Hi all, today I'm going to talk about Vikas Proppant and Granite Limited. The stock is currently trading at 10 rupees 38 paise, having a market capitalization of 5 to 5.14 crore, which is a micro cap. It has a PE of 15.81, book value of 3.68 rupees and face value of 1 rupee. It is listed only in BSE. Company's background: Vikas Proppant and Granite Limited manufactures and sells Gorgum powder in India. The company was formerly known as Vikas Granaries Limited. It changed its name to Vikas Proppant and Granite Limited in February 2018. b.d.agarwal, Kamini Jindal and Bimal Devi Jindal are the promoters of the company. They are also the directors at Vikas WSP, another Gorgum powder manufacturer. They increased their holding to 24.70% as of December 2018 from 6.35% at the end of the September quarter. There are no FII or DII holding in the company. Why is it a multi-bagger? The company announced that the management has converted the business of the company in the month of June 2018 and entered into a niche market of proppant manufacturing. Proppants is in high demand worldwide, including USA, which import a lot of proppants from China. The demand in India is good. ONGC and other dealers are importing it currently. The biggest news is that the company has received an export order of 75,500 tons of proppant worth rupees 448.47 crores from Tatneft, a Russian company, which is the sixth largest oil and gas drilling company having its operations worldwide. What are proppants? Proppant is used in cracking or hydraulic manufacturing in petroleum production. It can be noticed after the announcement by the company, the 9 months ended December 2018, the company saw a net profit soar to rupees 32.90 crore against a net loss of rupees 1.36 crore posted for the same period last year. You can have a look at the price graph, which shows that the stock has rallied up to 850% in just 9 months. You can have a look at the ratios. So talking about the news, granite mining will start in the month of May 2019 after the issue of EC and PCB permission. Tatneft will bring technology and also bear machine cost through equity. Risk reward. The company has a high growth potential, trading at attractive PE. Looking at the current market price, risk reward ratio looks very favorable. The stock is trading at 10 rupees 38 paise. The stock has a circuit limit of 2% currently, and I have noticed that there's a huge order of 5 to 20 lakhs pending for the past few days. The investors are not able to buy the stock as there's a buy order is higher than the sell order on the exchange, and because of the circuit filter, the investor is not able to buy the stocks. Dark cloud about promoters. You can all Google about the promoters and the news surrounding them. But I believe this is a turnaround story and has a massive potential. And looking at the order of notification given out by the company from February 2018 until today, all the licenses and orders which are in public domain turn out to be true. This stock can be the next multi-bagger. The investors with a huge risk appetite can have a look at the stock and allocate a small portion of portfolio amount to this stock. This video is just for awareness and not a recommendation. Consult your financial advisor and take a call on the investment. I would not be held responsible for any loss. All this information is available in the public domain. Thank you.